Hi guys, this video is about how to get ready to make the right kind of graph for your data in Google Sheets. So one thing that a lot of people do is they have all their data entered and they decide to make a graph of their data. So in this case, I have loud volume and quiet volume. People will highlight the data they want the graph of, go to Insert, Chart, and it gives you a graph. So this graph is a scatter plot of the loud volume versus the quiet volume. So that's not really what I want. I have two things that I'm comparing, right? A loud volume and a quiet volume, and this graph doesn't show them being compared. So students will fix this by picking a different graph type, like this. They know that they want to look at loud volume and quiet volume. So they'll pick that and have a graph like this. And that also doesn't fix the issue. What you need to do if you're comparing two things is compare the overall average, right? These are not trials over time. Right? This is not day 1, day 2, day 3. I'm not looking at some sort of graph where my measurements are just increasing over time. These are 10 separate trials. So I need to average them and then make a graph of that average. So to do that, I need to take the average I already have and put it with my labels. I find it easiest to just set this up as a separate table in my document, in my sheet. So I'm going to highlight the data I need. I'm going to select it and highlight it. Again, hold down with your left hand, highlight it with your right. This is the data I need. And then I'm going to choose copy, edit, copy. I'm going to come over and I'm going to make a separate table. So I already have a space down here set up for a second table. I'm going to paste my numbers there. So choose edit, paste. You can see the problem with just pasting, right? It gives me all sorts of errors and it says reference does not exist. So I need to use a trick here, okay? I need to not just paste. I need to come up here to edit and choose not paste, but paste special. And then I only want the values. Okay? What it did was it pasted the formulas. I don't need the formulas. I need the values, the numbers. So I'm going to only paste the values. When I do that, my numbers appear, right? I'm going to go and get my labels from above. So I'm going to copy those, right? You can use Control-C if you want to copy here as well. You can Control-V because those are going to copy correctly. And then up above, some other labels. I'm going to keep these labels. Copy this one. And then looks like I have some writing to do, but there's the data I need in order to make the correct graph of my data. Right? I'm going to have I'm going to compare the loud volume to the quiet volume in a graph.